It's hard to believe that this was once a bustling seaport in the 14th century, mainly exporting wool. But it would have been a very different scene if we were here back then. Now it's just salt flats and bird habitat. There's a bit of speculation around this bit here because there's arguments whether this is an old jetty. But if you look closely, they're just tree stumps. People say, oh, it's an old Saxon jetty, but they're just tree stumps. If you look on the old map, which I'll try and overlay, you can see that this was actually marked as a long line of trees that went out a lot further. The old town of Pagham was actually under the site of the current church farm. And in the 1600s there was a tidal surge during the spring tide and it wiped out the whole of the old Pagham village. And they say that you can see remnants of it in this part in the form of lumps and bumps, and I don't know if this is part of it or not, but we're in that sort of area.